With the mountains standing guard, Sonam and Lobsang find warmth on the flagstones. Leaning in, they explore mindfulness and the path to enlightenment in harmony with the surroundings. Sonam, eyes locked with sincerity on Lobsang, conveys a deep yearning to explore the Four Noble Truths. Lobsang nods at Sonam, recognizing the depth of understanding in his pupil. He delves into explaining the First Noble Truth, depicting suffering woven into existence. Sonam speaks of life's true nature, rife with challenge. He echoes Buddha, citing teachings to surpass life's pain. With a smile as tranquil as the room itself, Lobsang delves into the Second Noble Truth. Sonam delineates the Third Noble Truth, explaining the cessation of suffering. Lobsang carefully outlines the Eightfold Path that leads to nirvana. His voice resonates with passion as he emphasizes the path's power to relieve human suffering. Bathed in sunlight, they promise to follow the path with fervor. A deep respect for the Dharma fills their conversation.
Together, we will walk the Eightfold Path with steadfast hearts.
Yes, for it is in the Dharma that we find the true path to liberation.